Actually, it was a very cheerful and lively visit today. Because syempre, nakitaan sa mong papa, yung mga girls. Actually, as we entered the room, nandun na siya. He was early today, maybe because alam niyang kami dalawa yung bibisita. So, he was early today and nakatalikod siya. So, pagpasok namin, nakatalikod na. I shouted, Dada Rudy! Tapos, palibingon niya, ayun, nakasmile. And then, syempre, nagbeso kami, nagmano, nag-hug, and then sabi niya, my little girls. So, yun yung tawag niya sa amin ng sister ko, si VP Sara, little girls niya daw. So, today, medyo mahaba yung kwentuhan, and he was, ayun, bumalik yung pagka-humorous niya nung kaming dalawa yung nandun, and he was even, joking around kasi may microphone doon. Tinatapunan niya, tapos ganyan na naman. Then pinakausap niya yung whoever's monitoring it. So yeah, it was a very parang cheerful visit today. He was instructing my instructing my sister and I kung ano yung mga bilya niya sa amin, and that messages with family, of course. And ayun, pinalita ng sister ko na all of you are here today to, of course, again, show your unwavering support to him. And ayun, of course, nagpapasalamat sa PRRT to each and every one of you.